Welcome back to the Pterodactyl Desert 5. I'm just going to set up right here. 88 is coming in, 6401 leading, and I think I heard Chase on the radio. And the reason why I'm catching 88 tonight is because 87 with 6429, the engine caught fire and is delayed 2 hours, so... They already did their clear signal call, so I just flipped over to the inner city. I only have one radio on me today. Because my other one's dead. Like dead in terms like no battery. So yeah. Engine caught fire, so I do apologize about no 87 today. But we do have 88 here, so it is a very satisfactory. And I think Chase's crew is on tonight. Here comes 88 with 6401. I think as soon as the SM88 goes off, I'll just have to flip back to 161.415. Yeah, 6401 has a foul horn, so yeah. Oh, splat.
Attention, please. This is the final boarding call for via train number 88, bound for
88, okay for doors, left-hand side on stop traffic.
Georgetown and Brampton.
Left side, stop 88, thanks.
Well, let's flip back, just in case Chase says...
See you.
Yeah, that is Chase. Good thing I flipped back. Yep. Hi, Chase. And I'll pause as soon as they stop. Yep, I'll pause. Okay. But I thought to catch you guys, and it was the right time for it.
We're the cooler ones anyways.
Yeah. Didn't know you guys were on. It's the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. Because if I didn't catch you guys, I would not be getting anything. Right. Because of that engine.
Next year, March break.
Next week.
Next.
Yeah.
Any European days?
Not until as further notice, but I guess I'll see you later, I guess.
Okay, buddy.
Yep. Alright, they just closed the doors again, but now they're off. But they had reopened the door again, but now they're off. They are off. Yeah, it is rainy here, so I don't know why it is. And off they go, 88. Chase 6401. Have a good night! Well, it is 9 o'clock at night, so. But he has recently gave one at 9:30 at night, so. He was driving that day, so. Yeah. But off they go. Thank y'all for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you guys next one.